Happy Sunday, world. 08/24/2025 on this Sunday evening. Brought to you by Armchair Income on my YouTube channel. I know there's people who've been asking information about Armchair Income. Armchair Income is a postcard business. All you do is follow the instruction, call the 1-800 number, and my ID number is 125. Here is my group about Armchair Income. This is my group I manage for Armchair Income. I'm a manager for all my group pages. And there you go. Yes, Armchair Income is a postcard business. It's just find your nearest blue mailbox, get your postcard together, and wait for your returns. That's the key for postcard. All the information is on the postcard. As soon as you decide you want to join me, you get your kit like mine, and you get a personal ID number linked to you. And you do what I do. Make videos, tell people about it. Make a group page about it. I'm giving you the free information. I'm not charging for what I do every day from home. This is what I do from home. I'm a creator in my own image. I love what I do. I don't like what I do. I love what I do because I always think about some different way to get the message out to the potential business owners, potential postcard business owners, and so forth and so on. Armchair Income Group, like you see it. Simple way to get people's interest. Armchair Income, very simple. It's not too much. Colorful thumbnail image on the image department. Armchair, 25 members and growing. And yeah, this is my group about Armchair Income. If anyone is interested in joining, all you gotta do is click this downloadable, watch the videos. Here's in black and white. Read all that. All this right here. Read all that. And you're good to go. Read all that. Show you step by step how to join Armchair Income. It's not hard. It don't take a rocket scientist. You don't take a rocket scientist to join postcard business. CBSU too. $50 to get started. It's not $100. It's not $200. It's simply $50 to get you in the door. That is cheap. I just giving the program away. The company is giving the program away for saying thank you for joining. $50. Next, you get your kit. Your next kit is graduate to the next level, and so forth and so on. Yes, indeed. It's not hard. All the non-business owners or all the non-postcard business, this is what I do from home. I'm giving a free game. I'm not charging no one what I do from home. You can do the same thing too. You have to be a willing student, able to learn some new things. It's not easy. I'm letting you know right now, but it's rewarding. From your own creation or your own mind, you can be a good creator. All you got to do is TRY. Try to be the best you can be. Like everything else we do. Here's the downloadable link. Click that PDF file. Print it out. Download it. Print it. Yeah, it's already downloaded. Converted into PDF on Google Drive. PDF it. Print it out. Send it in. Or call the 1-800 number. 1-800 Armchair Income. Tell them my ID number. Boom. You all set to go. Pay your money and you good to go. I got videos after videos. So get you something to look at. Get you something to understand this postcard business I'm in right now. It's not hard to figure this stuff out. The product is the postcard. The information is in the postcard. That you see it there on the postcard. They go by levels. Number one level. First level, $50. Second level, $100. Third level, $250. Fourth level, $400. Whatever amount is on there, that's on your level you're going to pay. It don't take no rocket science. It's very simple and easy to understand. And armchair income, this is what you see here. Futon level. Lazy boy level. I'm giving you free game. Can't tell me I don't give you no information. This is free for me. I'm giving you the free. I'm not charging no one. I could charge, but I'm not going to. I need potential postcard minded like me want to work from home. I got open position, available position right now, limited position to join my postcard business on limited position. I'm not accepting no resume. This is my resume. I'm showing y'all what I do from home. This is my resume. That I'm a good promoter and I'm a good talker. I'll give you the information, whatever you want to ask. I'll let you know what's going on. If I don't understand it, give me a couple of days. I'll find the information for you and forward the information to you. Yes, indeed. Yes, I'll forward the information to you. Find the information, forward the information to you. That's all I would do for you guys. Here is the information again. Don't say I don't give you the information. What is the product about? Here is the product. Levels, levels, levels. While you sitting there eating a hamburger or whatever, you can get paid. Postcard business, CBSU. This is what the kit gonna look like. Kit gonna look like this. And go from there. Yeah, see that link? This is my YouTube channel. Here's a YouTube link. Click on that, and you're good to go. Yes, indeed. This is my armchair income program being with for a long time. My ID number is 125. 125, you can join this. Show some love on this group, please. Gladly appreciate it. If you don't want to join, just be part of the group. If you decide you want to join, more kudos to you. Welcome all new members in advance. Yes, welcome all new members in advance. Armchair income. There you go. Armchair income is a simple program. This is a free game right now. I'm giving it away. I'm not charging no one. I'm showing what I do from home, work from home based business. Here's the postcard again. Here's the postcard and the downloadable flyer right there. And go from there. There you go. This is Armchair Income group page that I set up a long time ago, about 2 years ago, in my own image to separate my work from my original pages. So yeah, I'm a good promoter, like I said. If you see the link out there, click on the link and join, watch the videos, and you're good to go. Boom. This is my story and my group page about armchair income, ID number 125. Show some love to this group. Like, share. I'll accept your being a member with this. Just send me a link. I'll accept you and join. Gladly appreciate it. Be the Armchair Income family today. Gladly appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Thank who you are. Happy Sunday to everybody. Keep your head up. Put a smile on your face. I know what's going on in the world. It's not cool, but this is a word of encouragement. Stay humble. Stay happy. Do the best you can in the world, in your life. Don't worry about nobody else. Pay your bills the way you can and try to find another way to hustle some more money and pay your bills. Number one thing is free to smile. It is really free to smile in what's going on right now. I'm happy for everybody able to see another day, another Sunday, or every day, waking up every day. Congratulations. I hope you get good health. I hope you wake up every day and go to work, do what you do best, and keep smiling. Smiling is free. Don't cost you. Love is free too. I'm here to love. I'm here to smile, help people. I don't care who you is. I don't know you, you don't know me. I'm trying to build a relationship with the world. Who wants to listen to my story? Okay, I'll come back with you again with another video.